Hey guys, and welcome back to another Woodbrew video.
This week we're combining wood and concrete to make a pretty rad table, and we're doing it with our good friend Alex Mazukin. Hard last name to say, but he makes really cool content. Check the link in the description below to check out his channel. He made the awesome metal legs for this week's project.
And thanks again to HomeRite for sponsoring this week's video. Let's get started. We got this awesome cherry slab from the guys up at City Hardwoods in Birmingham, Alabama a while ago, and we are finally getting to use it in a project. It's been sitting around our shop for a while and has cupped a good bit, so we brought out the router to take out the majority of the high spots, and then we will go back in with a planer to get everything flat. This technique worked great, and the router made a really cool texture that we might have to try again in a future project. Next, we are just using a chisel to knock off all the bark and to clean some places up so we can go in with some sanders to finish it off. We cut off the end to square it up before we put it in our mold so we can pour concrete around it. We caulked the edges of the slab first so we could be sure concrete wouldn't trickle underneath because we were putting the top of the table facing down. We use melamine as the bottom of the mold so when the concrete is cured we will have a nice smooth surface as the top. We're using screws to help give strength to the concrete and also help the concrete stay attached to the wood. To also help reinforce and give strength to the concrete between the span of wood, we are adding some copper wire to act as rebar. Next, to mix the concrete, we thought it would only take one bag but ended up taking 2 entire bags full. Seems like we are always making a mid-project run up to Home Depot for something. We waited 2 days to let the concrete cure, and we knew it wasn't done after that. We just got too antsy and wanted to see what it looked like.
Nice.
We did wait a couple extra days after the mold was off to let it dry all the way before doing anything else.
Straight up. Got it?
Ooh. This turned out looking so cool, we are excited to get the legs put on. After those extra couple days, we sanded some more to smooth out everything and to get some of the extra caulk off. HomeRite is this week's sponsor, and we are excited to use their spray shelter because we can't be having finish be blowing it back into the shop. This was super simple to set up. The only thing you have to do is stick the 2 poles through their dedicated sleeves and you are good to go. For finish, we are using a water-based polyurethane and HomeRite's Finish Max sprayer. This thing is awesome to get a quick layer of finish on, and the pump is in the gun, so all you have to do is plug it into an extension cord. We ended up doing 2 coats, and we will call that good. So with 2 bags of concrete and a 5-gallon bucket of water, plus the slab, this thing is super heavy and not going anywhere.
Oh my God.
And for the final touches, Alex from Mr. Build It made these awesome steel legs that are able to clamp right onto the side and tied everything together. The video of him making these is over on his channel, and that is linked below and right here. He's putting out some awesome content on both YouTube and Instagram, so all of his links are linked down below for you to check him out. So that's going to do it for this week. This table turned out so cool and fit the aesthetic of our office so well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next week.